was sitting there and I was like, Mom, she's like, you better not be put on YouTube because I don't look good. I only have 2 hours sleep. I'm like, Mom, Dan said you look hot. She's like, I don't take Dan's approval because he's a suck up. I'm like,
man, I ain't no suck up. If any moms are watching this, you're all beautiful. Slap some Avon on in the morning. Shit, you look great. Get ready to load Eric's four-wheeler up, but he wants to dick around for a little while. I don't know.
Oh yeah.
Skank right now, I guess. Now I gotta go fucking.
so, it seems...
Yeah, it looks like you ran out of gas.
What time is it?
Game time.
Oh, the dog's in the house.
It's like 3:30 something.
It's fucking beautiful. I had to turn around.
You moved the bike by hand, dumbass.
Alright.
Ah, man. Eric Reed ran out of gas. Ain't got no sense.
Dad, I do this all the time. This battery is good. Darn you, fossil fuels!
Electric four-wheeler.
Nah, man, I just don't want to run out of gas.
We do the front and the back. Just stand. No.
I literally take enough to get
Eric, turn the wheel. Turn the wheel.
I just don't even, when dad tells me to do something that I'm usually already trying to do, I just let him go. That was the duck?
I need to get out from this duck. Funny. It was disturbing. I couldn't even sleep last night. I slept 2 hours.
You look beautiful for sleeping 2 hours.
Oh, I don't feel it.
Tokyo Drift right
Tokyo Drift through the yard. Oh yeah.
Tokyo Drift! Tokyo Drift! Tokyo
I don't
Drift.
want to tear up my grass.
Fight? You trying to fight right now?
Game time! Someone's about to get their ass beat. Get in the car and go! There he goes, kid ain't got no sense. Call 911?
Yeah, I'm gonna call my cops on my own son. Yeah, I wouldn't get too close behind him.
He's on the grass.
And he's gonna drive a stick shift.
And she's back for a third attempt.
Back for round 3?
Oh, she's just gonna hit him this. That's a solid piece of steel. The lawn chain is to leave now. Surrender.
So I bet you luck.
Hot, Mom. I got to stay. Mom, Dan said you look hot. Alright, let's go into the house. I don't want this to cross the video.
Eric's throne.
The masturbation station.
I had that picture for like...
Since I lived in Spencer's neighborhood, which was like
12 years
was
ago.
about to see me pantsless.
Nope.
Nah, man, that shit ain't me.
Censored.
Skinny jeans. Time to go to Subway, cause I'm great, eh?
Giddy up. I'm dead.
At the bus stop madness, trying to go to Subway. Dan's got his alarm on.
Eric's mom has got it going on.
Eric, come here.
And
Eric,
oh,
I want to tell you another saying.
you can go buy another pair. It's just all about actually going to the
Look,
store.
I'm bringing a weapon. If Spencer comes at me, I can guarantee no one dies.
Dude, you got murked.
Eric,
That was enough.
come here.
Happy birthday! Oh no! You are such an asshole.
Oh, just taking a look today.
All right, so I was right about to get off work, and I find this. Who could have done this? We're gonna follow the trail. Dan,
Look,
what did you
I
do?
got a little excited.
What did you do? What?
I got a little excited.
Dan, there's fucking ranch everywhere.
Look, man.
There's fucking ranch everywhere. Dan.
Look, I'll clean it up.
Dan. That's how you clean it up?
Hey kid, do I have your attention? I know the way you've been living. Life's so reckless, tragedy endless. Welcome to the family. Hey, there's something missing. Only time will alter your vision. Never in question, lethal injection. Welcome to the family. Not long ago, you'd find the answers were so crystal clear. Within a day, you find yourself living in constant fear. Can you look at yourself now? Can you look at yourself? You can't win this fight. The way it seems there's no one to go when our loves are so
Go back.
we all have happiness inside. We all have answers to find. But you can't win this fight. I have to question what's with the violent aggression. Details blurry, lost them too early. Welcome to the family. Hey, why won't you listen? Can't help the people you're missing. It's been done, a casualty rerun. Welcome to the family. I'm trying to help you with the things that can't be justified. I need to warn you that there is no way to rationalize. So have you figured it out now? So have you figured it out?
Hey, thanks for watching the episode. Just wanted to say the next one will probably be out next week. Thanks a bunch for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, anything. You know what to do. And have a good one. Thanks.